In a small town in America, there lived a young girl named Emma. She was known for her generosity and kindness towards everyone in the community. One day, while walking home from school, Emma stumbled upon a small, forgotten garden in an empty lot. She decided to take it upon herself to nurture the garden back to life. As she worked tirelessly, tending to the plants and watering them, the garden began to flourish. Soon, beautiful flowers bloomed, and the scent of fresh herbs wafted through the air. The community took notice, and soon, people from all over the neighborhood were visiting the garden, enjoying its beauty and tranquility. One day, a severe storm hit the town, destroying many homes and leaving families without basic necessities. Emma's garden was the only place where people could find solace and comfort. The community came together, and Emma's garden became a hub for relief efforts. People donated food, clothes, and supplies, and Emma's kindness inspired others to pay it forward. As the town began to rebuild, Emma's garden remained a symbol of hope and resilience. The community realized that even in the darkest times, kindness and generosity could bring people together and make a difference. Moral of the story: kindness has the power to inspire others and create a ripple effect of goodness. By showing compassion and generosity, we can make a significant impact in our communities and bring people together, even in the face of adversity.